This is the makeup look I think Taylor Swift should wear to her engagement party. It's a little bit of a twist to her classic red lip look. Let's do it together. I'm gonna start off with prepping the skin, which means our lips too. This is the Laneige Gummy Bear Balm. For the skin, I'm starting off with the Tatcha Water Cream. I want the skin to be very hydrated, but not too hydrated. That can cause the makeup to separate. For sun protection, I'm gonna use this Haruharu Wonder. This I know looks really good underneath makeup, so I trust it. No idea what Taylor Swift's skin type is, but I'm a little bit oily, so I'm using some of the Hourglass Vanish Primer. I'm gonna do the eyes first, so I just added some Dior eye patches. Just filling in my brows with this Kosas micro pencil. In my head, I think Taylor is a big Rare Beauty stan because of her bestie, so I'm gonna try and use a lot of their products. This is their brow gel. Eyes are prepped with concealer and powder. Now I'm using my Makeup by Mario palette. I'm gonna use all of the neutral, lighter shades. Put this all in the eye crease. I'm gonna mix these two shades here and just add this to the outer corner crease. So we're doing such a bold lip. I wanna do her wing eyeliner, but I wanna do a softer version. So I'm gonna use this Stila brown pencil. Just can't imagine a look where Taylor Swift doesn't have a wing on. I'm gonna take it all the way across the eye. I'm taking the darkest brown from that palette and I'm just kind of smudging that wing. I just curled my lashes and now I'm adding some telescopic mascara. Adding some of this NARS eyeshadow stick. That is shade Hustle and shade Ablaze just to the inner corner. Instead of doing a full strip lash, I'm just adding some of these Ardell individual ones just to the gaps on the outer edge. Now I'm just taking my mascara and I'm just gonna marry them together. I think I messed up on my foundation shade, but I'm using the House Labs. I want this to be more on the full coverage side. Contour, I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury wand. It honestly has been a while since I've used this product. Adding this to the nose as well. Now using Rare Beauty Happy Soul, and this is just going on top of the contour. I'm gonna use Dusty Rose. This is from Makeup by Mario. This is such a pretty neutral blush. A little bit of this Hourglass concealer. This is ultra pigmented. You really don't need a lot of this. I'm gonna drag this under the eye and under the wing. Tapping over the edges with the blush brush. Using my current favorite powder. This is the Laura Mercier Peach Brightening. I'm just going to set the under eye. For the rest of the face, I'm setting with this One Size pressed powder. Setting with the powder milk. Highlighting with Rare Beauty Transcend. Using your sponge for the cheeks just gives you the perfect skin-like blend. We're now doing the lower lash line, so I'm using all of those shades that I used on the top, and they are going on the bottom. With a more detailed brush and a dark brown shadow, I'm just going to stamp the lash line on the outer corner. We all know Taylor loves a red lip, so for the engagement party, I kind of want to do a spin on the classic red and go a little bit darker. This is Code Word from One Side. I wore this lip combo to a party a couple weeks ago. The girl in the Taco Bell drive-thru could not believe how amazing this lip was and that it was still perfectly on. And then with the lip liner, I'm just going to define the edges again. Hey guys, here is the final look. Love this look. It's so classy, so timeless. Let me know what you guys think and tag Taylor in the comments if you think she should wear this look.